Alright, take 3. So we ordered a whole bunch of parts for the go-kart. I've got some spark plugs, I've got fuel line, vacuum line, whatever you want to use it for, and it came with connectors. I've got a rectifier. This is for your charging circuit to make sure everything's charging. Got pretty much everything off of Amazon Prime. I looked around at a bunch of other places and they just seem to have the best price on everything. I got this is a starter solenoid for the cart. I got a couple of spark plugs because apparently they are known to fail, whatever. Picked up a new carburetor to go ahead and just replace the carburetor on there, and it came with a fuel filter, and it came with the auto choke. Everything looks real nice. It's all braided and protected for the lines and whatnot. The particular one I bought also came with a new manifold. So in case when I take off the other one and if the manifold's cracked or anything, it came with a new one. It also came with an air filter. And all that was $29 for the carburetor, the manifold, and the air filter. I went ahead and ordered this piece to get the filter a little further away from the actual carburetor. And I got a new fuel cutoff valve, a new peacock valve or petlock valve for it because of the gas issue. And then I got a new CDI for starting. And we got a new coil, so I can unbox that. I got 4 spark plugs all together just in case. I do have another go-kart I'm going to put, a new spark plug in. I also got this for the other go-kart that's already working. It's an air filter because apparently air filters are known to be issues, and the other one's not ever been replaced. So I figure it's about time it needs to be replaced. This one's cleanable. I bought this. It's a service kit, and it's for all foam air filters. And it's the oil that you need to lubricate it with, and the cleaner. I've got a bunch of stuff up there, and I've got a K&N air service kit that I can use on this guy here, but this is for the foam filters. And if I end up not liking this one, where it whistles a lot, I'm going to switch out and put one of these on there. Bought another one of those tubes right there, and I'll do a video opening that, showing you this guy. But that's everything for right now, so we'll come back in a minute with another video.